What is happening, YouTube? So I got an issue. I have a 2007 Chevy Impala. It's a police package. So low miles. I have about 8,000 miles on here. And for some reason, when I try to start it, I get absolutely no power. And that includes to the gauge cluster. So normally when you put in Chevys, you put the key to the on position, the gauges will go up, fuel gauge go up, temperature gauge goes up, and it preps itself when it's starting. But for some reason, the gauges do not work. Like, nothing happens. It'll randomly like kick on and kick off. But also, if I try to start it, I get nothing. This car has low miles, 8,745 miles. This just randomly, I don't know why. And I have my code scanner hooked up. That's what keeps beeping. But the car doesn't know that it's connected to the scanner. So even though my check engine light is on, the car itself doesn't register that it's connected to the car. And it's not the OB2 reader. I mean, it's not my reader, because my other car behind me works perfectly fine with it. And sometimes it'll start. Sometimes it'll kick on and it'll start running. But I have no idea what it could be. If anyone at all has any idea what this could be, please leave a comment down below and help me, because I need my car. I'm trying to see if it'll start for you guys. So if I mess with the throttle, I thought it was a ground issue, and I checked all my grounds. All my grounds are perfect. I checked the negative side of the battery, perfect. Absolutely nothing. And every ground is connected. Every ground is seated properly, and it just will not kick on. Let me see if it'll kick on for you guys before the timer starts. No. And I have two keys. So this is my personal key, and this is my spare key. Even with the spare key,